how to turn off ChatGPT Memory on Android. This tutorial shows you how to disable memory so ChatGPT stops remembering your conversations going forward. First, open the ChatGPT app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three lines or your profile icon at the top left of the screen. Let me show you. At this point, scroll down and tap on Memory to turn it off. From there, toggle off Reference Saved Memories and Reference Chats and Files to disable ChatGPT from remembering information from your conversations going forward. At this stage, once turned off, ChatGPT will no longer retain any details about you between conversations. Here's an important note. Turning off memory means each new conversation will start completely fresh. ChatGPT won't remember your name, preferences, or anything from previous chats, so you may need to provide more context at the start of each conversation. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off ChatGPT Memory, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.